So today we're gonna unbox and review the BMW M3 E30 by Kaido House Mini GT. So let's unbox it. So here we have the most awaited and one of the cleanest BMW Kaido House ever made. So on the front we have headlamps, detailed headlamps along with the detailed grille over here. We can see a M3 logo and a BMW logo on the hood. If you check on the back, we have a number plate mentioned KHMGE30. It's most probably Kaido House Mini GT E30. And we have M3 logo over here too, along with the BMW logo. And if you talk about the tail lamps, it's very well detailed. And if you see the color, we have a yellowish tone over here for the indicator and the reddish over on the remaining one. If you talk about the spoilers, it's a carbon fiber on the top of the spoiler along with the back. And we have a Advan logo over here. And the best part, what makes it pop, is the deep dish tires with the Advan and Yokohama logo. And on the back, it's Kaido House Mini GT. And there's one more thing. The dashboard over here is completely carbon fibered. Hope you can see it. The detail inside are too good. We have a roll cage over here mentioned with the Kaido House logo and a gearbox, emergency handbrake. And the last thing that makes the Kaido House pop up in front of every brand is their detail under the hood. The engine detailing of Kaido House is one of the best I've ever seen. We have a BMW M Power engines. Hope you can see it properly. That's it, guys. See you on the next video.